chopped liver.
Buenos dias, mis amigos. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. So today, I am making a cold cough medicine. Organic. Organic as in, I bought all the stuff I need, and I'm making it myself, and I'm so excited. Oh my god. As you can tell, we are both very sick. Okay? Very, very sick. We haven't taken any cold medicine. I took child's Tylenol yesterday, even though I knew it wouldn't do anything, but we don't have any cold medicine, and I have not been wanting to do any over-the-counter medications because, as you guys know, all that stuff is bad for you, you know, everything they put inside of it. Boy Toy never uses any sort of cold medicine. I think the only thing he'll do is Mudacil, whatever, when he's like deathly sick. But I wanted to go the natural route where I get cold, you know, things like ginger and onion. I have turmeric roots, garlic, unfiltered raw honey, and I think I needed a cinnamon stick. I don't know. So I saw this recipe and I'm like, oh, I want to do this. So I'm gonna do it and then see how it turns out. And side note, I also got thyme leaves. My mom makes thyme tea for me when I was little. Used to. She would make this for me, and so I want to do that as well, but not right now. So the first things first. Actually, I'm gonna get the ginger root and grate it, and then I'm gonna put it in a little mason jar. Let me put some more of the turmeric in there. Because that's basically for a person. I want to give it to me and the kids. I don't know if Boy Toy will try it. Oh gosh. Am I getting the kids, hold on one second. If you guys remember, I don't know if you saw it, but we had a weekly vlog. And so getting ready for art and baseball, I was just at my accountant today to do my taxes. Then I had to go to the bank, then I had to go to UPS. Now I'm here doing this quick so the kids can have this tonight when they get home. ginger. I want to add more ginger. No, this is the turmeric. Ginger. So I'm heating up leftover pizza from his birthday party, so they can have that, which will kill me. He's like, they're not supposed to be eating pizza before he goes to work out, but he's got to eat something. Thumbnail. Oh. I need to water that down. Oh my god. Look at that, a little bit more water. Strong! Much strong. Oh my god. Oh, I shouldn't have added that much water. I need some more honey. Crap. That wasn't a lot of water, but it really was. Damn. Okay. This will last hopefully the week. I'll take it, I think, twice a day. Once in the morning, once at night. Woo! That cake, the kids are gonna flip out. They're not gonna want to drink it, but you're gonna have to. I bribed them this morning to drink hot tea with honey. I was like, you guys can take popcorn to school, and that kind of, you know, I bribed them like that. Crap, where's the? Oh. Keep all the covers in here. Okay. So I'm gonna put that in the fridge. But yay! Look at that. Thank you, Jen Jones. Too liquidy. Made it too liquidy, but damn it. Don't add too much water, just a tablespoon, guys. She said a tablespoon, just add a tablespoon. Don't think you know what you're doing, because you probably don't. You're not Jen Jones. Alright, so Miss Amigos, I guess follow me on my stories. I'll let you know how it goes. I'm not gonna do another vlog for this. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Guess what?
Go ahead. Oh yeah, it's following you.
Can you see what I see?
Oh, ew, stop. Ew, I'm gonna barf. Stop.
I made it. It's like
Mom, ew, no, I don't want to eat that, please.
It's one spoonful.
Please.
Spoonful for your mommy.
No,
For your mother.
No spoonfuls from my mom.
Yes. Come on. I did a
Not for
reaction
anyone.
video.
Not
you
for
have
anyone.
to.
How
So you don't
was
get
it?
sick.
How was it?
It was.
Exactly.
I mean, it's not delicious.
I don't want to eat.
It's not the best thing on earth.
Ew, no, this is disgusting, Mom. This is disgusting. You should delete Pinterest if that's what they're telling you to do. Ew, it smells like Money Tree's fart.
You're so dumb.
Ew, it smells
Stop.
so bad. I'm not joking. It actually smells like.
Don't smell
It's like your fart, actually. I'm not joking.
And it's delicious. Don't hold your. Don't breathe.
Watch out.
Don't breathe. 3, 2. You have to eat it all. 2.
Can you get rid of that big blob?
Hurry up. No, it's garlic. 3, 2, 1. Hurry up. Don't smell. Swallow.
It's disgusting. Oh.
Teaspoon of love bomb is what you will need. It's like a spicy Latina.
You need to sift it. I mean, not sift it. You need to strain it.
It's like a spicy Latina.
You need to strain it.
Woo!
Strain it and maybe I'll drink it.
Woo! Okay, that's mommy's medicine. Don't smell, put it in your mouth. Fast. 3, 2.
Okay, wait. Why does it smell like
3,
that?
2, 1. No, don't spit it out. Don't do it. Don't do it, Charlie. Hey! No. Not bad. Every day for the rest of your life, guys.
I feel better already.
Ew, stop! Para.
No,
feel better though, huh?
Thank you so much for watching, mis amigos. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And definitely comment below. It will help us on YouTube. And until next time, adios!